We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
That is how you make a water jet lathe. We've got a Harbor Freight special drill here powering it, locked on a low speed. Got ball bearings on both sides. We've got the water jet in position. Now all we got to do is start trimming it down. Will this work, or did we just waste a whole lot of time?
I'm worried that the water jet's going to try to spin it at like warp speed in the opposite direction, and the drill's just going to like bog up and like nothing will happen.
Yeah, it could just, well, I don't know. There's only one way to find out.
We could spin it faster in this direction if the water jet, to counteract the water jet's force.
If the water jet starts to slow it down too much. We've got a decent amount of speed on that right now. Oh, but it is pretty easy to slow down. So that is a little bit too slow for us. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and lock this in place, and we're just gonna run it and cut the corners off of this. See if that helps speed up the process. Halfway through that, we got an even better idea. So we have programmed the profile, half of the profile of a bat like you would on a lathe. We're going to cut that profile on all four corners, rotate it a quarter of the way, cut it again, and then that'll remove most of it. Then we can hook the drill back up and do the rest of the thing.
Finish it off, get a nice smooth final pass.
Triple. Did not break. And it's just out of cedar. Okay, yeah, that is stronger than I thought it was gonna be. We've got a proof of concept. Next step is we've got some ash ready to go. This is considerably heavier, denser than that.
Yeah, that is.
This is actual hardwood. Cedar is not. Now we're gonna just run it on this. We're probably gonna do like a 30-45 minute pass of just the whole file, and I think we'll come out with a bat.
I think you might want to do an hour.
Hour? That was a case of like the death wobbles, was it? What was making that noise? The speed we had it set at would have taken 2 hours to do this entire thing. And that sound did not sound good. Try slowing it down and see,
Just for that section,
okay.
we can avoid that wobble.
What are you doing?
Just getting ready for that next segment.
In a recent study, it was found that 1 in 3 people had poop on their hands. And those people shop at the same stores as us, they open the same doors as us, and no matter how careful you are, at some point, you're going to touch your face. If there's anything we've learned in the last few months, It's that bacteria and viruses spread quickly. That's why we've made the Copper Finger. The Copper Finger allows you to open doors, push buttons, and even secure contracts worth $1 bajillion, all with minimal contact. Plus, copper is an uninhabitable surface for disease-causing viruses and bacteria. Viruses can live for up to 3 days on hard surfaces like steel and plastic, but copper kills over 95% quicker. Don't pass around the nasty. Give germs the finger with the Copper Finger.
To get yours today, click the link in the description. Buy one, get one free. The only place to get it is by clicking the link in the description.
Are so close. Still got a little bit of a ridge right there, and there was right there. Hey, it's not looking bad.
We got to consult the expert Little League coach here. See what he thinks about it. This approved?
Wow. Is that a regulation?
Yeah. Can I have it?
Does it feel like too heavy?
No.
That's right.
Yeah.
Shows how much I know about baseball.
That's right.
How much would you pay for this bat?
Well, it doesn't say Louisville Slugger or Easton or anything like that. So.
It's a one of a kind.
Oh, it's one of a kind. Did I get your autograph on it?
Lick tested.
Oh, it's lick tested. Lick it.
I just licked it. It's a bat. This is the only one of its kind. I just verified.
Oh, $50 somewhere in there.
What if I told you that it cost us like $300 to produce this?
Did it really?
Swing! Bada, 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 bada.
If we go by billable hours, this bat cost us like $300 to make. That was like 2 hours of machine runtime.
Maybe more.
Maybe more.
Plus R&D time.
Plus R&D, plus the bat blank was like $30. So we're well over $300. But I think we could do it in a fraction of the time now. So it'd still be like $100 though.
200 maybe.
200. Mitchell's got a lot of kids he's got to feed, so.
It is true. This is true.